Hi folks, this is a quick tutorial on your Thermo King cap command that is used on a direct drive Thermo King unit. That would be a V300, V300-20, and some of the older Thermo King units. As we see, the newer Thermo King V320 units have gone to the newer style cap command, which I will also post a link for a tutorial on that. So right now the cap command is off. I'm going to go ahead and turn on the ignition. Now the vehicle is running. Self-explanatory. This turns on your cap command or your refrigeration unit, and as you can see, that will display a live temperature of your box. Right now it's reading somewhere about 63 degrees Fahrenheit. This light here indicates that your compressor is on. This light here is for your standby mode. That's when you have plugged in your standby cable and the power is coming to the unit. It will illuminate red. This button here shows you if your defrost mode is on, and you can actually initiate a manual defrost. Right over here is your set point, and by pressing the set point, this light will illuminate and it will actually tell you what your set point is, 33 degrees. Now this automatically goes back to the live temperature, your current live temperature. This knob here is very sensitive. You can move it to the left counterclockwise or clockwise to adjust the temperature. Now by pressing this button here and moving this knob slightly, I can adjust the set point. I can adjust the set point all the way down to -20, say -26. Now there's a separate adjustment in the back of this cap command to do that, but normally the lowest set point would be -8. This unit is set at -26. Now depending on your capability of your unit and the capability of your box, you can set this temperature, keeping in mind that you want your unit to cycle properly. So if your unit is only designed to do fresh, it'd actually be best to keep it at 37, so that way it will properly cycle, it will reach the temperature and the compressor will shut off and it will properly cycle. So here's your tutorial for this Thermo King cap command, and also see other links for the different cap commands. Thank you.